On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner friendly method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, you are not required to invest anything, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join Digistore24. If you don't want to join Digistore24, you can join any affiliate network that you know. There are many of them that you can join. If you want ClickBank, Max Bounty, Warrior Plus, any of them that you want, you can join and then use this same method so that you can be making money from home. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts on Digistore24 and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can get products to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is a product that you can promote. If you want to select a specific category, you can come right here. As you can see, digital products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. There are many of them. As a school, you can see e-marketing, education, family and kids, fashion, fiction, fitness and health, food and drinks, and many others. Any of them that you want, you can click on it. Most of the categories, if you click on them, you are going to get a lot of different available digital products that you can promote. You can see computer and internet. They have about 24 digital products that you can promote. You can see business and investment. They have about 69 different digital products that you can promote. So any of the categories that you want, just click on it, select the product that you want so that you can promote it and then make money. In case you don't want to promote digital products, you can also promote physical products. So when you click on it, you can see physical products. If you click on it, you are going to find a lot of different physical products that you can promote. You can see they have skincare and they have supplements. If you want to promote supplements, you can click on it and then find a supplement to promote. If you want to promote services, you can also click right here so that you can get services to promote. If you want physical data medium, that is CDS, DVDs, and etc. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then get products to promote. You can see events and seminars. If you click on it, you can get products to promote. In this case, I'm not going to select any specific category. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to sort the products. I'm going to sort the products based on the cart conversion rate. Cart conversion rate is the percentage of sales that a product gets when people click on it. So we are going to sort the products so that we can get the best performing product and then promote it. To sort the products, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see it is currently on popularity. We don't want popularity. If you can see earning per sale, we don't want that. Earning per cart visitor, we don't want that. Publication date, we don't want that. Select cart conversion. We want to get the best products so that we can promote them. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is a new product, but it is performing very well. You can see the cart conversion rate is 41%. That means if you promote this product to about 100 people, you are going to get 41% of those people buying the product. If you promote it to 2,000 people, you are likely going to get 41% of those people buying the product. So this is one of the best products that you can promote on Digistore24. You can see the name of the product, Billionaire Brainwave. They are going to take the customer through brain training so that they can attract money. That is what the product is about. If you want, you can scroll down to see other products. You can see the next one, the cart conversion rate is 29%. So if you promote it to, let's say, 200 people, you are going to get 29% of them buying the product. As a scroll, you can see many others that you can promote. The next one is also 29%. You can see another one, 27%. So all these products are performing very well. You can see a whole lot of them. They are performing very well. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote it. So now once we get to know the products that are performing well, the next step is that you have to look at the commission rate. You have to look at the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. This product, for instance, you can see the commission rate is 46%. So if you get people to buy it, this is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the next one, we are going to be earning $24.25 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. As a school, you can see the next one, we are going to be earning $12. Another one, you are going to be earning $152. 70 cents. So this is the product that you can earn higher commission when you promote it. You can see the commission rate $152.70. So if you want, you can promote this product. As I scroll, you can see the rest, the commission rate is low as compared to this one. So you have to choose the one that you want. You can see the card conversion rate is 26%. Now you have to choose between the first one, which has a card conversion of 41% and a commission rate of $46.41. So you have to compare the two, the $152 and the $46, which of them that you want to promote. One has a higher commission rate and another one also has a higher card conversion rate. So any of them that you want, you can choose. In this case, I'm going to choose the one that has the highest card conversion rate, because even if you get a lot of people to buy it, you are still going to be earning a lot of money. It doesn't matter the commission rate. What matters most is the number of people who buy the product. So if you are promoting a product where a lot of people are buying it, you are going to be earning a lot of money. But if you promote a product which has a higher commission rate but no one is buying it, you are still not going to make any money. So I will go with the first one. Now once you have found the product, the next step is that you are going to click on copy promo link so that you can see details of the product. Once you click on copy promo link, you're going to see a page like this. These are the details of the product. You can see everything. You can see they have sales page and affiliate support page. If you click on the affiliate support page, you are going to get some resources that you can use to promote the product. If you click on the sales page, you are going to see the landing page of the product, the first page that your potential customers will see before they purchase the product. In this case, I don't need any resources to promote the product. I have my own method, so I'm not going to click on the affiliate support page. But in case you don't know how to promote it, you can click on the affiliate support page and then get to know the resources that you can use to promote the product. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the sales page so that I can see the landing page of the product and then get some basic information about it before I decide to promote it. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is exactly what your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product. You can see everything in the page. As I scroll, you can see everything in the page. The product owner has a video that your potential visitors can watch and then get some basic information about the product before they purchase it. So before you promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to watch the video so that you can also get some basic information about it before you promote it. So click on play so that you can listen to the information in the video. But in this case, I have done that ahead of time, so I'm not going to play it again. Now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to go ahead and then promote it. To promote it, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can see your promo link has been copied. Once you copy your link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can promote your link and then get people to click on it, purchase the product so that you can be earning money on Digistore24. If you want, you can build a landing page and then buy traffic from Facebook, Google, YouTube, or any advertising platform that you know. If you build the landing page, you can buy traffic and then get people to buy the product. In this case, we are not going to buy any traffic. What we are going to do is that we are going to use free traffic source so that when we get people to buy the product, we can then use the money to buy traffic so that we can increase the number of sales that we get per day. So I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to promote your promo link. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is freeclassifiescanada.com. This website is based in Canada, but you can use it wherever you are in the world to advertise your products. Any product that you have, you can promote it on this website. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad. They have business category, classes, community, for sale. So if you are selling something, you can post it right here. If you have a job, you can post it here. You can see they have real estate category. So if you are selling a house or whatsoever, you can post it right here. Services, if you want to promote a service, you can promote it here. Vehicles, anything that you want, you can post it on this website and you are going to be getting quality traffic to your affiliate link. As I scroll, you can see many people have posted different items on this website. You can see a house, you can see a lot of different things that people have posted onto the website. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different things. So now what we are going to do is that we are also going to use it to promote our affiliate product. So you have to create an account so that you can post your ads on this website for free without paying for anything. So click right here, register. Once you click on register, what you have to do is that you have to enter your name, enter your email address, password, repeat your password. Once you repeat it, click on register. Once you click on it, you can get access to a free account. If you want, you can also link it with your Google account. So just click right here, sign in with Google. Once you click on it, you are going to select your Gmail so that you can link this website to your Google accounts. Once that is done, you are going to get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to begin posting your ad. To post an ad, click on post an ad. Once you click on it, just close the ad, close this one. Once that is done, you can see right here they have prohibited content that they don't want you to post on this website. So you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you get to know the content that is not allowed to be promoted on this platform. But in this case, I know it, so I'm not going to read it again, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see you have to select your ad category, so click on it. Once you click on it, select the appropriate category of your ad. In this case, we are selling something, so click on for sale. Once that is done, you are going to select the subcategory, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different subcategories that you can select. As I scroll, you can see different categories that you can select. As you can see, this is the product landing page. This is about how to train your brain to attract money. So when you look at the subcategories, there's nothing like that. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see everything else as, so select that. Once that is done, you can see title. It is forbidden to write a phone number in the title, so we are not going to enter a phone number right here. Just write a title for your ad. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use ChatGPT to write a description and a title for us so that we can paste it here. So you are going to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to write a prompt like this. Write an ad description of brainwave ritual to attract money. Make it very short, so we want a short description, so just write it like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write the ad description for you. As you can see, it is writing. You can see the description is so short, so let's give a prompt again. Add more, something like this. Just type add more and click on send. Once that is done, it will add more information to the description. You can see it has added more information. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste this information as your ad description. Before you copy the description, you can ask ChatGPT to write a title for you. So let's say add a title, something like this. Click on send. It's going to write a title for us. As you can see, this is the title, so you can copy this title and then paste it. So let's highlight and copy the title. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that we are going to copy the description. So let's copy this description. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come back again, highlight this. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see price. You have to enter the price of the product right here. Just enter a figure like $89, just something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the currency. So click on it, select USD. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see photos. You have to add photos of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you are going to select images. Once you select images, you can see different images that you can download. You can see a whole lot of different images. This is the image of the product, so just right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images so that you can save the image. Once that is done, click on save. Once you save the image of the product, you are going to upload it. So click right here so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image of the product. You can upload up to 8 images. You can see it right here. But in this case, I'm going to use 1 image. Once you upload the image of the product, when you scroll down, you can see location. You have to select a location in Canada. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these provinces. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select Alberta. Once that is done, you are going to select a city. So click on it. Once you click on it, select any city that you want. Select any of them that you want. Once you enter the city, you can see address. If you enter the wrong address, your ad is going to be removed. So just leave it like this. Do not fill it. Once that is done, you can see author, your name, email address. Everything is automatically filled. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see phone or WhatsApp number. If you want, you can paste it right here. You can also paste your postal code here. Once that is done, you can see your site address. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Digistore24 so that you can copy your affiliate link. To copy your affiliate link, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your link has been copied. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see YouTube video. If you have a video review of the product, you can copy the link and paste it here. But in this case, you don't have any video review of the product, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, publish, so that your ad can be published onto the website. So click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can see thank you. Your listing has been published successfully. So your ad has been published successfully onto the website, and you are going to be getting people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. Any of the social media platforms that you want, you can share your ad so that you can get many people to click on it and then purchase the product. Once you have been able to post one ad, the next step is that you have to go back on Digistore24 again, find a different product, post it onto the website. Keep on posting different ads onto the website so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product. There is a lot of competition on the website, so what you have to do is that you have to make sure that your ad stands out so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. Make sure you keep on posting so that you can get results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.